Thank you for joining in, and for today's lesson we have a nice bouquet that I will be showing you how to create. There's a few different types of flowers in there, and I will go over all of the color swatches as well and show how to do some of the fillers. So let's jump right in. I also have another class that is a little bit easier than this one. It is how to paint some loose florals and watercolors, and it's just a couple of like basic flowers like these, but not as many, and I just show how to intertwine some leaves. But this one is definitely a little bit more complicated, and it's like a tighter bouquet. So I just wanted to throw that information out there in case you missed the other lessons. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to check out my other classes.